Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our course on mastering AI tools to supercharge your product management. I'm Anna, and in today's video, we'll be focusing on how you can streamline communication using AI. We'll explore how to use ChatGPT for drafting and responding to emails, automating meeting notes and action items with tools like Otter.ai and Fireflies.ai, and implementing AI-powered chatbots for customer support and feedback using platforms like Intercom and Zendesk Chat. We'll also look at some real-world examples of improved communication efficiency. Effective communication is crucial for any product manager. Let's start with how ChatGPT can assist you in drafting and responding to emails. ChatGPT can help you compose clear, concise, and professional emails in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Imagine you need to send a follow-up email after a meeting. Simply input the key points into ChatGPT, and it generates a well-structured email for you. Here's an example. Good communication is vital in managing internal stakeholders and keeping customers informed about your product. ChatGPT can be used to draft engaging emails, presentations, or other product-related communications. Here are some examples of useful prompts. Next, let's talk about automating meeting notes and action items. AI tools like Otter.ai and Fireflies.ai can transcribe your meetings in real time, identify key points, and automatically generate action items. These tools use advanced speech recognition to capture everything that's said, and they can highlight important parts of the conversation. This means you spend less time taking notes and more time engaging in the discussion. After the meeting, you'll have a comprehensive transcript and a list of action items that can be easily shared with your team. It's a great way to ensure everyone is on the same page and nothing gets missed. Another powerful application of AI is in customer support and feedback through AI-powered chatbots. Tools like Intercom, Drift, and Zendesk Chat can handle routine inquiries, provide instant responses, and gather valuable feedback from customers. These chatbots can answer common questions, guide users through troubleshooting steps, and even escalate issues to a human representative when needed. They work 24/7, providing immediate assistance to your customers. Implementing chatbots not only improves customer satisfaction by reducing response times, but also frees up your support team to focus on more complex issues. Now, let's look at some real-world examples of how AI has improved communication efficiency in product management. For instance, Sephora has successfully used AI to enhance customer interactions. Their AI-powered chatbot, Sephora Virtual Artist, provides personalized makeup recommendations using facial recognition technology. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also increases sales as users who engage with the chatbot are more likely to make a purchase. Additionally, the chatbot has reduced the number of support inquiries, allowing customer service representatives to focus on more complex issues. Another example is IKEA, which introduced AI-powered tools to enhance the customer shopping experience. They use virtual reality apps to help customers visualize furniture before buying and AI chatbots to assist with customer inquiries. This has improved customer decision-making and satisfaction while making customer service more efficient. That's it for today's video on streamlining communication with AI. By leveraging these tools, you can enhance your productivity and ensure more effective communication with your team and customers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. In our next video, we'll dive into how AI can help with data analysis and decision-making.